Hello guys, so today I'm going to introduce my new tool called Torch. I'll start by opening this scene. So this is head and shoulders model that I got from Turbo Squid. You can access it here. And the first thing first, we need to enable the plugin. So we can do that by going to the preferences and then search for Torch. Search Torch and enable it. So after that it will appear over here, or you can access it on the end panel. So by clicking here, it will initialize the torch and open it over here, and it won't show anything for now. And I'm going to introduce the feature first. So you can drag the torch by clicking this button, and then this toggle the visibility. And after that you can also change the position by adjusting it over here and change the color too. So if you want a transparent button, for example, or a red button or something like that, so this is on hover. So if on hover you want it to make it purple, for example, you can just change it over there, but I'm going to leave it on the gray. And this is the toggle. So toggle is when it is active. So I'm going to turn down the alpha. So after that I'm going to go to the viewport shading render preview. So I'm going to turn this on, and after that I'm going to create some lights. So go to add lights, and I'm going to create a spotlight. So after turning on the torch, you will see that if you select some lights, it will appear over here. This will appear if the node is supported. You can easily check it on the light types.json inside, and the thing that is supported currently is point light, sunlight, spotlight, and area lights. And this is the attributes that can be accessed. So if you need more than these things, more properties or attribute, you can just add it over here. And after that, this is select the lighting, and then this is the bookmark button. So if you bookmark this, it will keep appearing even if you deselect it. And after that you will see that there are this orange button over here, and if you click drag it, it will place the lights over the surface. So by click dragging it, you can just easily change the position of the lights. And to change the distance, you need to press control button, control, and click drag over and slide it to the left or right to change the distance between the surface and the lights. You can also press shift to reduce the sensitivity of it, so it is more precise this way. And you can also change the type of the light from here. So this is spot, this is area lights, and I'm going to use the spot. This is to change the energy. You can also press shift to increase the sensitivity. And this is the radius over it is what exposed over here, so you can just play around with it. And I can also change the color, and there are other features too, such as if you place it, it will appear over here that the mode is normal. And by pressing shift, you can change the mode to reflection. So if we compare the normal mode and the reflection mode, this is the difference. So in the reflection mode, you can easily get the reflection in the place you want by placing it over the surface. And you can also change the direction of the lights by pressing Alt. It will basically invert the lights. So if you invert it in the normal mode, you can easily switch the direction by pressing Alt. If you press shift and Alt, it will also flip it. But in the meantime, I'm going to use something like this, and after that I'm going to duplicate it. So select the lights and then duplicate, and I'm going to place it over this way. So I'm going to achieve rim light over here, for example. And then I'm going to get the one from the top too. Like this. So I get the very cool effects over here, get the shape of the product, and I can also create some fill lights, for example, to fill the lights over there. And by pressing Control, I can adjust the distance, and after that I'm going to maybe change the lighting to a bit more warm, maybe reduce the rim intensity. If you are not sure which of the light is there, you just go and click it, and it will, or if you hover it, it will show the name under the viewport. So I'm going to change this one and reduce the intensity maybe, so we get more volume over there. And after that I'm going to duplicate this and then move it over there to give it more volume. And I'm going to use the array lights and reduce the intensity. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this on this side too, and I think I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to reduce the intensity for these lights. Oh, it's too much. Okay, so if I'm happy with this, I can just hide this first, and after that maybe I can save this, and this is saved in the file. So if you open up a new Blender, for example, or I'm going just to close this, and I'm going to open Blender again, and open the files and turn the torch on, then you will get the same things. So it is, since it is stored, you can also unbookmark it. So if you want to clean everything up, you can just do that. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.